In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make name tags in Microsoft Word. Whether you're preparing for an event, organizing a seminar, hosting a party, or setting up a classroom activity, creating professional-looking name tags in Word is simple and convenient. I'll guide you through the entire process, step by step, so you can design clean, customized name tags with confidence. To get started, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once the program launches, create a new blank document. This gives you a fresh workspace where you can begin designing your name tags from scratch. Now, go to the top menu and click on the Mailings tab. This section includes tools that allow you to create labels, which is exactly what we'll use for name tags. Inside the Mailings tab, click on Labels. A small window will appear. From there, select the Options button. This is where you'll choose the label format that matches the type of name tag paper you're using. If you purchased pre-perforated name tag sheets, look at the packaging to find the product number. In the Label Options window, select the correct label vendor, then scroll through the list to find the matching product number. Once you've selected it, click OK. Then choose New Document. Word will automatically generate a full page laid out with evenly spaced name tag boxes. You can now begin typing names directly into each box. Click inside the first label and enter the name you want displayed. Adjust the font style, size, and alignment using the Home tab to make the text bold, larger, or centered, depending on your preference. For better visibility, especially at events, consider using a larger font size and a clean, easy-to-read typeface. If you want to add more design elements, such as a company logo or a colored background, go to the Insert tab. From there, you can insert pictures, shapes, or icons. Resize and position them neatly within each label box. Keep the layout simple to maintain a professional appearance. After finishing your design, review everything carefully to ensure the names are spelled correctly and properly aligned. When you're ready, load your name tag paper into the printer and select Print. It's always a good idea to print a test page on regular paper first to check alignment before using your actual label sheets. And that's it. You've successfully created customized name tags using Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.